What's up guys, Surge here. So the Xiaomi Mi 8 is all set to be unveiled on the 31st of May. We already have some of the leaked modules, hands-on video and pictures of the device that specifically reveal look and specs of the upcoming beast. Now, starting with the look of the device, we have this leaked hands-on video that shows the Mi 8 will have a translucent back, which honestly looks great. We have came through the HTC U12 Plus that looks awesome in the translucent blue variant, and if the Xiaomi Mi 8 will have a translucent black back, then it will surely be a head turner. The back houses a vertically aligned dual camera setup with the Mi logo sitting on the bottom. Another distinctive visible feature is the red colored power button. Also, a freshly leaked image has revealed the entire specs of the Xiaomi Mi 8. According to this image, the upcoming flagship model features a 6.2-inch display that supports Full HD Plus resolution of 2280 x 1080 pixels. We have the notched display with 18:9 aspect ratio. The handset will come with Android 8.1 out of the box, and it will be powered by the Snapdragon 845 chipset coupled with 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of internal storage. The Xiaomi Mi 8 packs a 3300 mAh of battery. The image further revealed that the device features a front camera of 16 megapixel with f2.0 aperture, and the dual camera setup includes an f1.7 aperture 20 megapixel main sensor that is assisted by a f2.0 aperture 16 megapixel secondary sensor. The thickness of the device is 7 mm and it weighs 172 grams. The company has also released a new teaser to show that only 6 days are remaining for the upcoming annual product launch event, and by the image, it looks like they are hinting towards the in-display fingerprint scanner, but according to my drivers, the number 6 resemble with a structured light 3D module. It is widely reported that the Mi 8 will feature a 3D facial recognition tag, and that's mainly because of this leaked module and the wider notch compared to other notched Android phones. So there's a possibility for both of these high-tech upgrades on the Mi 8. The Mi 8 will also support Quick Charge 4.0 Plus, and last but not the least, Xiaomi will also announce the MIUI 10 on 31st of May. So there's a lot of stuff going on, and let me know your thoughts about this in the comments down below. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace out.